if you look at last year, in case of travel companies, between August till March, there was some sort of a, what do you say, people going back to travel, and you could see that the occupancy level of some of the resorts, in fact, many of the resorts were rising. But schools, colleges, offices were broadly shut. There were lesser weddings. Even the weddings were having lesser number of people attending it. So that is where VIP or a company like VIP, anyone in the luggage industry, they faced a far bigger problem than a company like Thomas Cook or a Club Mahindra. But again, that is something which we are witnessing now, right? But when we take a longer term view, when we look at in the past and when we look into the future, we see VIP as a beneficiary of a lot of mega trends. We would recommend all of you to watch a video of Mr. Utpal Seth. Utpal Seth is basically the fund manager of Rare Enterprise. He manages Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's long-term portfolio. He advises Rakesh Jhunjhunwala on his long-term portfolio. And he gave a very good presentation on identifying mega trends and focusing on them. So we just learned from that presentation and try to apply our learning and see whether VIP fits into that some of those mega trends or not. So in case of, so these were the mega trends which were highlighted by Utpal Seth in his presentation, and we are just trying to compare VIP with that, right? So IT revolution is one of the mega trend where we don't see any direct impact in case of VIP. However, when more and more multi-country and multi-city travel for on-site opportunities in IT sector happens, it will definitely lead to some demand, but we would not call it as a direct impact, right? But the second one, which is urbanization, it is a very clearly known mega trend. As the economy grows and matures, more and more people will migrate from rural areas to urban areas. That will lead to more travel. More travel lead to more demand for demand for travel related products and definitely luggages. Demographic evolution, we know we are still a young population. A good chunk of our population is still between the age of 15 to 30. So the demand is going to be there. In case of the branded products will be there, and VIP has a strong presence in branded space in the luggage industry. So that would actually help it, right? Again, consumption boom is another thing. If 10 years back, 15 years back, or maybe 20 years back, the whole family used to have one or two suitcases. Now we have individual couple of suitcases for us. And in a family of say 3 or 4, you will find probably 4 to 5 or 6 suitcases, right? Women in workforce, that is again a long-term trend where we see more and more women joining the workforce, coming out of home, traveling a lot. So more and more women handbags will also be seeing that kind of a long-term huge demand. Financial deepening and digital transformation is something which we have not thought that they are going to impact or help VIP anything directly. But if you look at the second last one, which is the unorganized to organized shift, that is a big advantage for VIP. So even today, when we are discussing, or even if we take the pre-COVID numbers, the unorganized market in India for luggage is more than the organized market. And if you see what has happened in COVID, the unorganized sector has been hit far more than the organized sector, because the organized sector have the balance sheet strength to withstand this. They are facing revenue and profitability issue. Of course, they are reporting losses, but their balance sheet is good enough to stand for the next couple of years. And in the next couple of years, when the normalcy returns, they would be in much better position compared to the unorganized players. because these unorganized players do not have that kind of a balance sheet strength. So many have shut shop. Many of small luggage players are not doing well. And the last point is, whenever an industry grows, it sees consolidation, wherein the larger players or the players with the highest market share are going to eat up or make sure that the other smaller players go out of the industry. So that is also something which we can expect VIP will be a beneficiary of, because VIP is the number one player in terms of market share even today, in terms of the branded or the organized luggage market in India. These are some of the brands, and VIP is the only company or the only brand which has presence across the range. So they have good presence in economy segment, mid segment, and premium segment as well. But if you look at the other two big competitors of VIP, if you look at Samsonite, their presence in the premium segment is far higher than in case of the other segments. And when you look at Safari, their presence is heavily in the economy segment, and they're competing with the unorganized players a lot.